Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Gemini app activity on your phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google search. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on search history. Go ahead and click on saving history. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to manage other Google activity. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Gemini app activity. Go ahead and click on manage activity right here. Then here you go. Google Gemini app activity. Keep your activity lets you pick up charts where you left off anytime and help improve Google services, including AI mode. When this setting is turned off, Google will still save charts for 72 hours to respond to you and help you keep Google Gemini. So if you want to delete any of your search history, simply scroll down right here. So click on delete right here. So you can delete the last hour, last day, all time, or custom rate. If you want to delete all time, select all time. Then you have everything in the all times right here. You can click on preview right here. And then you have all time right here. That since you have been using your Google Gemini. So for you to delete it, go ahead and click on delete right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Deletion complete. So go ahead and hit on got it. And it's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Google apps like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.